What's up, everybody? Tiffany Outdoors here. In this latest episode of the Toybox, today I'm going to be painting the characters. Stay tuned. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
Follow U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Hi, Boo.
What? First up is my Hulk fist, and you see where I made the repair from the scroll saw. I sanded it down already, and it should accept the paint just fine. So go ahead and start on this, and the colors I'm using are jet black and Christmas green.
What do you want to do now? The way I see it.
I've got all the characters painted, and they're not glued or tacked onto this just yet. I just have them sitting up there. We got the Hulk, we got Black Panther, Captain America, and Iron Man. Yes. So this is just laying on that piece of board that I cut out. This is going to be the front. And what I'm going to do next is I have this. Remember these? I have these that I had cut out. And this is just laying up there for now. And I'm going to go ahead and glue and use my brad nailer to go ahead and put all of this down. I had hoped that it wouldn't damage it. It damaged it just a touch. I'm only going to put 2. Here we go. That's all that's needed for this. And I can go around along this with paint to touch that little spot up. I'll show you what it did. It's just a little tiny, you can see the little white dot from here. And I could just put some touch-up paint there. I'm going to go ahead and glue and tack down the rest of these characters, and then I'll come back to you. Something happened that I was afraid that was going to happen. I thought for sure that these would break under the pressure of that brad nailer. That big one handled it fine, but that little one there, it just busted all into pieces, y'all. So heartbroken about that. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to cut out another little piece, and I'm gonna have to pull that nail out and just simply glue these down, and hopefully they won't get knocked off too easily. So there's that, unfortunately, but it's okay. Sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches. I had a feeling that would happen. I tried it anyway, and it did not work. So these little tiny pieces, just straight glue. Everything else went on just fine. And what I'm going to do next is use this little corner piece. This right here is going to cover up the end pieces where the two ends butt together. It's kind of hard to see now that it's painted. I'll pull you in close, okay? See that where the two ends butt together? So this piece right here is going to cover that and give it more of a finished and refined look. See that? That looks so much better with that, opposed to it not having it at all. So this is going to Go there. And I'm not going to put any glue on that. I'm just going to use a brad nailer. And that is made out of PVC, so there's that. It's nice, it's lightweight. This toy box is heavy enough to pick up by myself. It'll be much better once I put the handles on. But first, I want to trim it out. And now this way. There we go. Nice. Alright, do the other side. Right, yes, that looks amazing. I'm loving that look. Alright, y'all, I am done. The last thing I have to do is repair that necklace. I'm gonna go out tomorrow and use my my scroll saw and cut out another part for the necklace. Pull that nail out, paint it, put that down with glue, and I am done.
Perfect.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the build. That was a very challenging build, and it really tested my skills as an amateur carpenter. I really enjoyed it. It was hard. It tested me and challenged me in ways that I've never been challenged before. It was a good one. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.